morning, guys, and welcome to day 31, I think. Last time you saw it was 29. You might think, where did day 30 go? Day 30 I spent here, running back and forth to the toilet, because I came down with some shit, literally. Oh, there's a dog. So yeah, I ended up spending the day here and relaxing, and I did some editing and that kind of stuff. So yeah, today is a better day. I feel a little bit better. I've been able to eat a little bit, and I slept really well. So today we are embarking on the Swedish Tet. It starts pretty much just down here. I have a plan of going to Sanningslandet this afternoon to camp, and I might be joined by a girl that I know from Instagram. She's a Harley rider. We've been staying in touch for a long time, so it would be really cool to if we can see her by the end of the day. So yeah, without further ado, let's get this day started. Oh, one of my little tent poles are left behind. We need you, buddy. Ooh. Alright, we try again. So for this time, I'm using a MapGuru Pro. It's not perfect at all. I didn't bring anything to... it's hot. I didn't bring anything to keep my phone up here because I don't really like having it there, and because I've already ruined one camera on one phone with having it on the handlebar like that. So yeah, let's try to find the beginning of the Trans-Euro Trail, shall we?
The Trans-Euro Trail, influenced by the Trans-America Trail, is a route of over 100,000 kilometers of mostly dirt roads that can take you through the remote landscapes of 30 European countries. On the website you can download GPX tracks for most of the route and find all the information you need about the track in each different country, including the length. The Swedish Tet stretches 2,841 kilometers from north to south. The Tet is powered by a team of volunteers called linesmen, and relies on its community to find and manage the evolving network of tracks that crisscrosses through these countries.
It took me in the wrong direction. It took me going north and not south. Little fucker. Do you want to create a reversed track? Yes, I do. Alright, let's try again then. So this is actually a part of the Trans-Euro Trail. Ha! And the second wrong navigation of the day. Missed my turn up there. Yeah. I'm supposed to go in here. I think there's even a little store there, so maybe I should stop and stock up on some goods while I'm here. Is it even open? Got myself a couple apples and something to drink. Whenever I'm not feeling too good, I make sure to have a drink with a little bit of sugar and stuff in it. Right, now let's continue on the right road, which I think is up here. I think it's this one. Yep. guess it's time to change my mode. There we go. Now this is more Teth-like. Sorry. You know, if you could just leave the road, that would be so much better. Hi! Oh, you're so small. Hi. No, no, no. Yes, there you go. Bye. So we're not allowed to cross here. That's inconvenient since the map says I'm supposed to go here. And I'm gonna guess that the only reason these signs are here are because of this bridge. So yeah. I mean, there's fresh car tires, there's fresh tracks. So, and on this side as well, so there's obviously cars going over here. So, yeah, we're gonna do it. This is not the most interesting, you guys. But it is what it is. It's really nice to ride here. It's so nice and quiet and little traffic. And the scenery is like, it's fine. Just woods, and every now and then there's a lake and a river and some houses. Oh, would you look at that? It's a mountain. Kind of. Huh. I feel like I'm riding straight into a big rain cloud. That's interesting. I knew there was supposed to be a little bit of rain this evening, but that looks like more than a little bit of rain. But perhaps I'll be pleasantly surprised. We will see. And the rain is upon us. I'm gonna stop and quickly unplug the microphone, and then I'll chat with you again a little bit later, hopefully, when the rain stops. As soon as I stopped, oop, that was mine. The rain stopped as well. Hopefully it's just passing through. There's been a little bit of a thundering going on. Can't see the lighting because it's so bright daylight. Right, let's continue. And there comes the rain again. Oh well, maybe it's just like drizzles in the air that I just catch when I'm riding. That's fine. Anyway, it looks like I will have company camping this evening, and I've been following her for a couple of years. I noticed her for the first time when she posted. I came across pictures of a Harley Davidson in Lofoten during the winter, like literally in like January. It was snow and like 15-20 minus Celsius, and it just looks absolutely, yeah, it looked epic. And that girl has balls, I'll tell you. Not for real, but like courage, you know what I mean. So yeah, it's gonna be nice meeting her. I haven't met her before. She's a proper Harley Davidson badass girl. I think it's gonna be fun. Alright, it's really coming down now. I'm stopping to unplug the microphone for sure now. Crap.
After a few hours of riding through the rain-soaked landscape, I finally reached Sanningslandet, the spot where Ida and I had decided to set up camp for the night. I kept my fingers and toes crossed, hoping for a break in the weather. I'll be honest, if I were alone tonight, I might have opted for the cozy comfort of a cabin. But embracing the adventure and both of our stubbornness to make this happen, I pitched my tent on the beach, and soon enough I heard a familiar rumbling sound of a Harley approaching. After battling the increasing wind and rain, we eventually had both tents set up and began the process of getting a fire going so we could cook the delicious food that Ida had brought. And success. Having a fire going in this weather really makes all the difference, and we ended up having a really nice and memorable evening at the end.
Jag var på 15 resor i sommar.
Ja.
Thank you so much, Ida, for making the trip. And with that said, it's time to call it a day. See you in the next episode.